Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to round up numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100 and also to 1000. Previously I had made a tutorial on how to round up to a number of decimal places and also to a whole number. So if you haven't checked that tutorial, make sure you check it out. I will leave the link in the description, and also at the end of this tutorial I will leave the link to the tutorial at the top. So let's get started. To round up to the nearest 10, type the equal sign on your keyboard, then type round up. There you go. Then put the cell number that has the value that we need to round up, which is A2. Then put a comma. To round up to the nearest 10, you should key in -1. Then close the bracket, then press enter. There you go. You can see our value has been rounded up from 245.521 to 250. Okay, so that is the nearest 10. To round up to the nearest 100, what you need to do is just change here -1 and key in -2. Okay, there you go. So the nearest 100 is 300. To round up to 1000, again, you change this value here and key in -3. There you go. So that's it about rounding up numbers to the nearest 10, 100, and also 1000. So uh, make sure you check the tutorial, the previous tutorial at the top, and also kindly subscribe to our channel if you found this video quite helpful. Bye.